The following text both tells about getting a new dog. This text is told from the point of view of from a boy who recently got a dog. As soon
As soon as
as soon as I saw him, a new little spot
don't make that sound.
Was the one. Maybe it was his gentle brown eyes. Anyway, I could just tell he was the sweet puppy I'd always wanted. Right away, I could picture him
scrappering. What's that?
Starry. Full of stars. A starry sky.
Scamper.
Okay.
To run.
Nimbly. Okay, need to nimbly. It's need to step.
Nimbly.
Quick and light emotion. Make a quick motion nimble. Okay, nimble means quick. I think it should have more than quick.
Nimbly.
Cleverly. Yeah, it means quickly. Okay, yeah, that's not the word we want. The word we want is this one.
Scamper.
Fab.
Okay. Where's that?
Run.
Okay.
Go at a
pace.
Faster than a walk.
Okay.
Scamper.
Okay. It's faster. Go at a speed faster than a walk.
The child scampered off to play.
Okay.
Run.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Scamper.
Okay, spell it.
SCAMPE scamper.
No, one more time.
SCAMPER scamper.
Okay.
This is Papa.
Okay.
The child scampered off to play.
Okay.
Run.
Okay. Right away, I could picture him
Scampering around our yard. And
Snuggly. Is that? No. Snuggle. Yeah.
scamper,
Good.
Scamper.
scamper,
Scamper.
scamper,
Scamper.
scamper. The child scampered off to play. Run.
Okay. Scamper. Snuggle.
Snuggle.
Snuggle,
Snuggle.
snuggle,
Snuggle.
snuggle.
Okay.
To lie or sit close together in a front comfortable position.
Snuggle.
Snuggle,
Snuggle.
snuggle.
Okay, can spell.
Snuggle, snuggle.
Okay.
The puppy snuggled up against the sleeping boy. The boy snuggled closely
Close.
close to his mother.
Okay.
Snuggle.
Snuggle,
Snuggle.
snuggle.
You see like that. Snuggle. Yeah, snuggle. So right away I could picture him scampering around our yard
And snuggling with me all at night. This text is told from the point of view of Mr.
don't know how to pronounce it. No. Branch. Let's do this one. Why it's so small?
pronouncenames.com. Blanchard,
Blanchard.
Blanchard,
Say it.
Blanchard. Do we have the
Blanchard.
correct pronunciation of your name? Blanchard,
Blanchard,
Blanchard.
Blanchard,
Blanchard.
Do we have the correct pronunciation of your
your name,
Blanchard. Mr. Blanchard.
a dog owner.
Okay, the text is told from the point of view of Mr. Blanchard, a dog owner.
Safety was the first thing on my mind. That's why I wanted to get relaxed.
Rex.
Rex, a big thought. Tough.
Hung. Tough. Okay, tough is very strong. Here means tough. What's that?
Snuggle.
Snuggle.
Snuggle. Snuggle.
Snuggle.
Snuggle.
I all sit close together in a front comfortable position. The puppy snuggled up against the sleeping boy.
Okay. What's that? What tough, okay. Tough.
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 Tough. Seven.
Here. I think they look this
Strong.
strong, okay. Capable of enduring strain, hardship, or severe labor.
Tough soldiers.
Tough.
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 Okay, spell.
Tough. Tough.
Yeah, it's a
Strong.
okay.
Able to
Withstand
withstand
hardship,
hardship,
strain,
or
exposure. Yeah, he can go through the difficult situation. The person we call us. Okay.
that. This is a tough place
Plant
that easily
withstand
hatch winnings. Winning.
It's a season.
Winter.
Okay. What's that?
Strong.
Okay, strong. Okay, a rough. Okay, that's why I want to get Rex a big.
Tough.
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 Okay, spell
Tough. Tough.
one more time.
Tough. Tough. This is strong.
Okay. A tough hound. Greyhound. Okay. Oh, you can have this. What's this?
Tough.
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 Yeah.
Strong. This is a tough plant that easily
Withstands
withstands
harsh.
winters.
Okay.
Hound,
Hound.
hound,
Hound.
hound,
Hound.
Yeah, this kind of dog, a hound, they can run fast.
hound,
Hound.
Okay.
7.
Oh, that's hound. Okay.
A dog. A type of dog that has a very good sense of smell and is
Train.
trained to hunt. That's
hound,
hound.
hound,
Hound.
hound,
Hound.
Okay, can spell.
Hound. Hound. A dog.
Okay. Yeah, this kind of dog, hound. Okay. Okay, that's why I wanted to get a Rex, a big, tough.
Hound. To protect my family. He'd watched over the house. This his
What's AR sound?
R.
Yeah.
Bark.
Okay, the dog.
Bark.
Yeah, dog barks. Wow, 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 wow. The bark.
Bark.
His bark.
Word.
They say he is now. Okay.
Would ask if any strangers approached, he'd be the
Perfect.
perfect dog for us. How is Mr.
Blanchard.
Plant.
Point.
Point. A few different from
Rods.
rods. Mr.
Blanchard.
Blanchard describes how playful the dog will be. Mr. Blanchard describes the new pet as a
God.
Dog.
Okay, God. The God who protected people. Yeah, the God. Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.